Hey there everyone, I'm excited to be back with a new video. Today we're delving into a crucial aspect of email marketing that can truly make a difference. It's all about how to create captivating subject lines. Now think of your email subject line as the first handshake with your audience. It's your one shot at grabbing their attention and getting them to open your email. First, simplicity is key. Short and sweet subject lines around 40 to 60 characters work wonders. They're mobile friendly and easy to digest. Next, spark curiosity or a sense of urgency. People are more likely to click when they feel like they're about to discover something exciting or missing out on an opportunity. Personalization adds a nice touch. Using the recipient's name or tailoring the subject line to their interest shows you're speaking directly to them. And you need to also avoid spammy tactics like using excessive capital letters or trigger words. This can land your email in the spam folder faster than you can say unsubscribe. Lastly, never underestimate the power of testing. Testing your subject lines can uncover what truly resonates with your audience. It's an ongoing process of refining and improving. And there you have it. You've just learned the art of crafting captivating subject lines that can significantly boost your email marketing success. In conclusion, always remember that your subject line is your email's first impression. Keep it clear, intriguing, and personal. It's the key to getting your emails open and read. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to craft compelling subject lines for email marketing. See you on my next video.